Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go through the new widgets and assets that you can use and download in the brand new Referral Marketing tab, and I'm just going to walk you through that, and I'll do that using our demo account. So of course, first log into your Snowball account and then go ahead and click on that Referral Marketing tab. And for now we're going to stay on this Create Placement tab. Go ahead and scroll down and you'll see the new assets and widgets that are available to you. So first of all, I'd like to point out that these are all for your referral marketing efforts. So each of them is going to link out or take customers to a form where they can submit a referral. You'll notice that at the bottom of each of them, they have a button to generate or create the specific asset or widget. And actually, when you click into each of these, it's going to take you to a very similar form. And so I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, and then I'll kind of show you what each of them looks like. So let's start here with this custom link. Go ahead and click Generate New Link. This is the form that I was referring to that you'll have to fill out for each different widget or asset that you download. So in this case, this is just for the link. First, you're going to want to give it a name and a description so that you remember exactly what you're using it for, where it's being used, so if you ever need to edit it or re-download it, you know which one it is. So let's just say for our case today, for this example, that all the assets we're going to download are for a spring promotion that we're doing. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a name and a description. Perfect. The next step is going to be to set payouts. If you look closely, it's going to say that these referral payouts that you're setting for this specific link do not apply to the admin control settings that you have already set. So it's not going to mess with any of that. So if over here in admin controls, you have set certain payouts for your messaging features, your quick referral request, any of that, this is not going to mess with that. So these payouts are very specific to this link that we are producing right now. So go ahead and enter the referral payout and the sale payout for this specific link. Then click Generate Link. Okay, so from here, go ahead and click Copy Link. And then we will paste that in a new browser so you can see what that looks like. So this is the referral intake form. You'll notice that it's going to ask the customer to input their information first, and then once they click Get Started, they can submit their referral. So this intake form is going to be used here on this link. It's also going to be used in the QR code, and when they click on any of the buttons in the embeddable widgets, everything is going to take them to this referral intake form. Okay, so like I mentioned before, there's a very similar process for all of these, but I just want to make sure that you know what each of them look like. So I'm really going to quickly go through the QR code process just so you can kind of see what that looks like. Okay, so once you have generated that QR code, you'll see this PNG, and you can go ahead and download that. If you open it and then go ahead and scan it with your phone, you'll notice that it takes you to that exact same intake form that the link took you as well. Okay, so for the sticky widget, the horizontal banner, and the embedded form, when you create each of those, it's going to give you a code that you copy, and then you can embed that on your website. So these ones are the most similar between all of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the sticky widget again, super quickly, just so you can kind of see what that code looks like. Okay, so when you generate any of these widgets, this is kind of a code that will come up. So again, if it's the horizontal banner or the embeddable form, it's going to look a little bit different, obviously, but you just click copy code. And then from there, you'll be able to go and embed that on your website wherever you wanted it. So really quickly, I'm going to hop over to just kind of a mock landing page to show you what those three different widgets look like. Okay, so obviously this is a fake landing page, but in the bottom left, you'll see that sticky widget. That's what it'll look like. So if someone clicks the send a referral little button there, then it's going to take them to that intake form. If you scroll down, this is kind of what the horizontal banner would look like. Again, they click the button, takes them to the intake form. And lastly, this is kind of what the embeddable form will look like on your website. So they can put in their information, click Get Started, and then they'll be able to submit that referral afterwards. Okay, so once you have created these different links and widgets If you ever need to edit them or re-download them, you're going to head over to Manage Placements. From there, if we scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the 3 different ones that we just created. I can copy the links again, download the QR code again, get the code again. I can also click the pencil button next to any of them to go in and edit the details and the payout. If you edit the payout after you've already copied the link or downloaded the code for the widget, if you edit the payout here, it will be reflected in the widget that is already embedded on your website. So make sure that if you ever need to change anything, that you're coming in here to edit and update those, and then you'll just click Save Changes. You can also delete any of them at any time by clicking the trash can icon. Okay, so that is how your customers will be able to submit referrals through all of these different assets and widgets. If you are integrated to your CRM, then as soon as somebody submits a referral, that's going to automatically be sent to your CRM. If you're not integrated with your CRM, or if you want to also be able to access these on your Snoball account, I'm just going to show you really quickly where you'll find those referrals. So head over to the Admin Controls tab, and then click on Referrals Report at the top right. And then scroll down until you see the Referral History dashboard. This is where you will see those new referrals that are submitted. So you'll be able to see the referral, the referrer, and the date that it was submitted, the payout that was associated with it, everything that you need there. Hopefully this has been helpful. Good luck using our new assets and widgets to help you in your referral marketing efforts.